honey butter.
8 pieces.
Shade Emma. Every Sunday, so hey everyone, good morning. For today, it's Wednesday and we are going sa NCC to get myself vaccinated for HPV. Yung school namin, ipag-cooperate dun. And then yes, mag-vaccine tayo for today and after that, wala na tayong gagawin. Hey guys, today mag-church tayo. Because today is Sunday, we're going. Diba sis? Every Sunday we go to church. We go to church every Sunday. So ngayon, today is Sunday, it's June 9. Kasi bukas birthday ni Kuya, June 10. So, yan. Hindi kami magsa-celebrate ng birthday niya dahil ang gusto niya lang ay money. So, tsaka magsa-celebrate ata siya with his girlfriend. We don't know yet. Pero yun yung sabi niya sa amin. Naman yung buko niya.
Oo, nandipin yung busy to.
This is the store.
Okay.
So guys, ito yung buko.
May bakery sa harapan namin and gusto ko ng tinapay. Kaso wala akong money. Hey everyone, today is Tuesday. It's June 11 kasi kahapon birthday ni Kuya. So nag-celebrate lang kami dito sa bahay. Nag-samji lang kami and then yun. Ngayon, naisipan kong mag-video ulit kasi naka-color blow ko ngayon. And ito, bigay ito nila. Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Random to. Morning guys. Today is June 12 and around 10:35 na ata ngayon. So, nag-toast lang ako ng bread. Nalita ko ng gising ngayon kasi dapat ang plano ko, hindi kasi ako nagbe-breakfast. Talaga, hindi ako nagbe-breakfast unless pipilitin talaga ako tsaka magagalit yung pipilit sa akin. Pero, yun nga, para magising ako na maaga. Kasi, dito ako gigising ako na maaga tapos matutulog ulit ako. Ganun yung scenario ko. Ay gusto ko maging productive ngayon. Uy. Anyways, dapat ngayon magluluto ako ng kimchi fried rice. Kasi nga nung June 10, nag-samji kami, diba? Tapos bumili din kami ng kimchi nun. And nandun pa rin ngayon sa ref. Hindi siya naubos. So, siguro tomorrow, pag sinipag ulit ako, mag-breakfast ako. But for now, we will have toast. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng Nutella. 2 slices of bread. Tapos di na ako kumuha ng banana kasi tinamanda din ako. Kaya ito na lang yung kakainin ko. Hey guys, so today is Sunday, June 16, Father's Day din. And mag-church muna tayo. Kakaligo ko lang, mag-skincare na ako. Maglalagay na tayo ng lip care. honey butter.
My safest phase. It get dark, I still have trials, but I now have peace in me now. Can't wait for my starry crown and see the day I see my enemies bow. When I walk, my head held high, have to keep my faith beyond the sky. Some people ask why I put my faith in Jesus Christ, because I gotta.
And for my lips, I will use the Color It tint in the shade Emma.
Far from you. No more tears, no more cries.